Hey there, it's Richard Averitt, co-founder of Starchive again, just coming back to talk to you for just a minute about Web3 and NFTs. We've had a bunch of questions about why are we bullish on Web3 and NFTs, particularly considering a lot of the bad press, much of which is rightfully earned. So let me just help for a minute explain what it is that we think is important and profound about this. So if you think about NFTs not just as products, but also about process, then you start getting into the capabilities that blockchain unlocks for creators. So I'll give you a quick example. So let's assume for a minute you have a big following on Instagram or on Twitter or on YouTube, and you want to begin to have control over that community and monetize it. And so you might create NFTs. Maybe it's something that looks like a trading card of you or a piece of your artwork or something. And maybe you have a couple of levels, maybe a bronze level, a silver level, a gold level, whatever you call it. And each of those has with it a smart contract that defines levels of access for content. So if that's true, and you then either sell those or give those out to your fans, and then you publish content to a Web3 domain, so think of this as a website that has wallet connectivity, it's wallet aware, then a user, one of your fans, can show up to that website with that token for the right level of access and automatically see the content that you have assigned to that level. So inside Starchive, you could create new content, create a data field that's about level of access, assign that access, and then check a box that says publish to my Web3 domain, and automatically the users who show up to follow you there could see that content. So this gives you the opportunity to own and control both the price for which they pay. Maybe it's a subscription plan, kind of like Patreon, or maybe it's just something you give as a perk for someone who's engaged in your community, follows you, promotes you, helps tell your story, all of those things. So that's just one tiny way in which NFTs and blockchain can become a mechanism to engage with your community. And you then are in charge of that. YouTube's not, Instagram's not, nobody can change the algorithm on you and bump you off. Obviously, NFTs can also be products. Products are great, and you can create digital artworks and you can sell them, and we're going to make it possible for you to do that directly, so you don't have to have a marketplace involved, so people can use a debit or credit card to buy them. But really, in the long run, this blockchain technology is just at the very beginning of unlocking new ways in which creators and their fan community can engage with one another directly without an intermediary. So that's it. Hopefully that helps. We'll look forward to talking to you. Reach out and check out our WeFunder campaign, wefunder.com/Starchive. We look forward to serving you for years to come.